car, trailer truck, truck, van, ambulance, train, air balloon, helicopter, sailing ship, a large boat that moves with sails and wind, ship, rescue boat ship, a small boat used for saving people in emergencies, cruise ship, a larger passenger ship used for vacation trips with luxury facilities, bicycle, aeroplane. This is the British English term for an aircraft. Airplane. This is the American English term for the same thing. Plane. This is a short and informal way to refer to an aircraft, commonly used in both British and American English. Taxi. Motorcycle. Motorbike. Bus. School bus. Fire truck. Scooter. Tractor. Police car. Wagon. Motor scooter. Submarine. Rocket. SUV. A large, powerful car designed for both city roads and off-road driving. Auto rickshaw. Delivery scooter. Delivery truck. Tanker truck. Double-decker bus. Camper van. Biplane. An airplane with two wings, one above the other. Fighter jet. Cargo plane. A plane that carries goods, not people. Space shuttle. A spacecraft used to travel to space and back. Horse cart. Lorry. A large vehicle for carrying goods, mainly used in British English. Jeep. Off-road. Cement mixer. A machine used to mix cement, sand, and water to make concrete. Dump truck. A truck used to carry and dump materials like sand or dirt. Bulldozer. Glider. Tram. A vehicle that runs on tracks in cities. Boat.